Right, next build up for itch that scratch, scratch that itch, scratch. Okay, take again. Next up on a scratch that itch. Yeah, scratch that itch is, I think we're on number 6, maybe, I don't know. We'll check. But it's a Lego City build, and it's the Construction Steamroller. So this is set 60401, 78 pieces, came out this year, 2024, age 5 plus, and comes with, looks like just a minifigure and the steamroller itself, which is cool. Description says, make new roads for the great vehicles of Lego City with the coolest steamroller in town. This mighty road machine has large chunky tyres for ultimate grip and a big shiny drum for powerful road rolling. So put on your hard hat, hop aboard, and roll like a pro. Let's go, construction hero. Oh my God. Okay, some of these descriptions do crap me up. But anyway, that's the front of the box. This is the back, which is pretty much the same as the front of the box. But he's sitting in it. So there you go. Sitting in it on one, standing outside it on the other. So it looks like he's got a shovel. And also the cockpit tilts. So let's have a look, open it up, see what we got. There's the thumb piece, there we go. Okay. Open, open, and open. Okay. Let me know what you think of this little series that I'm doing in between. I'm doing it in between other builds. So it's like a small video with cheaper sets. Okay, that's cool. Box goes. Does it have a code? Yes, it does. It has got a code to claim your points. Nothing else but build information. That's cool. 3 wheels. There's a front for the roller piece. Cool. On 2 bags. Nice and easy. Okay, let's empty you. 1 and empty you. 2. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Alright, so let's do. Perfect. Okay. Right then, so I am now going to start the speed build, and I will see you at the end with a review, what I think. These are honest reviews, by the way. These are not me sucking up to anybody or anything else. Just like to tell people what I think, and so far I haven't had any disappointments, not huge disappointments, which is awesome. I don't know why I'm so easily pleased, but you know, I am. Anyway, smash the like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Do appreciate you, and I'm going to do the speed build now. Okay then, right, okay, that's nice little set if you've got a city or something, or maybe you're a youngster who loves playing with these sorts of things, you know. I mean, it's stable enough, it's awesome. You do have the little cockpit that folds down, and then your guy can sit in his seat, and then he's off, he's ready to go. So yeah, nice little playable set for the money. I think it's rather good. The only thing is that there is nowhere to put his shovel, which I would have thought they'd have had just a, you know, something, a clip or somewhere you could store it somewhere. I mean, you could put it on there, but it's not really the right place to go. but you know, somewhere just to store it, otherwise this is going to get lost. I mean, if he drives with his shovel at the same time, that's probably not ideal. Anyway, and it would have been better if they'd have had 2 lights. So, spare parts, we now have 2 lights. So, there you go. I think it looks better with 2 lights, that's just me. You have got a few spare parts when you're finished, as with all sets. You can, minifig wise, you can, okay, he's got his fluorescent jacket on, which is kind of cool, printed on the front and back. He's got his safety glasses on, of course, because you know he's working. Hard hat for when he's working in the construction area, and you can take his hard hat off, and he has got also a hairpiece, so you could have him like that, depending on how you want him. Me personally, I think the hard hat looks the best, because he is at work, and we don't want him getting a headache. So yeah, there's the hairpiece, there's the minifigure, there's his shovel, okay, which is cool, and spare parts. I've got a question. Not sure if you know, some of you probably do if you've been watching the videos for a while, but when you get spare parts like this, what do you do with them? That's a question, and I have some more here as well, in here. So what I do is I put them all in there, and I have this, which is full of parts. Okay, so I use that. Let's actually put that to one side, because my one that I've got now is actually broken but very scruffy, and then I just empty them, and then you've got a ton of small parts. I mean, that's just from me building sets recently, well, not recently, but this year, and I mean that's a lot. Look, so many spare parts, and it looks cool on the desk as well. So little push for Lego, even though they don't sponsor me in any way, shape or form. I love this. It's such a good idea. It's such a good idea actually. I bought all 3. So there's this one, and there's a bigger one and a smaller one, and also recently I found this, which is the skeleton head. So I might actually use the skeleton head instead of this, because it denotes dead parts. That's my logic behind all that, but I do like looking at the smiley face of this. So anyway, I digress. Let me know in the comments what you do with your spare parts. What do you think of this set? I think it's okay, you know, I mean, it scratches that itch. I have to always think that I get that right. It scratches the itch for wanting to build some Lego but not cost you an absolute fortune, buying too many sets. So you know, if your son, daughter or you are a little bit bored, go pick up one of these and build it and strip it, use the parts, or build it and keep it and display it in your city. Or let's see if he will. I don't think he will. Could. Oh yeah, maybe. No. Come on. There you go. He can drive one-handed. He's an awesome driver. Right. Don't want to lose the shovel. Anyway, so yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I think it's okay. It's a good little set. I mean, we're talking about paying low money here, so don't expect super duper stuff. I have had a few good ones, and let me know again what you think. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.